YouTube, what is up? I have got the iPhone 15 Pro in natural titanium. Gonna unbox this bad boy, let's get into it. Alright, got your typical iPhone box here, white box. So let's get it open. So we'll go here. There we go. Ooh. Flip her back. Natural titanium. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty slick. It's got those titanium side rails here, kind of like a brushed, I forget what they called it. It's still a little bit, gets some fingerprints on it. So it's not fingerprint free. It's a lot lighter than my wife's iPhone 13 Pro, and I'll be doing some comparisons with that. Maybe some comparisons with the 14 Pro Max. That's the one I had. This is the one I currently have, but you know, it's different size, different weights. What else we got in here? We've got the braided cable. And it was supposed to be a colored cable, but it wasn't. That would have been cool, but who cares? 2, it was supposed to be longer. I don't know, this feels a little bit longer than your typical. Oh, look at that, USB-C to USB-C. USB-C in the heezy.
Stop it. Get some help.
And what else we got in here? Nothing, just the sticker, regular Apple sticker. No SIM in the US. Thanks, Tim.
Good morning.
Let's take that off there. I don't know. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this or hear this, but let's give it a shot. Ooh, clean. Yeah, you can tell on the edges, you know, because it's got that curved little edges there, not so sharp as the 12 Pro, 13 Pro, or the 14 Pros when they did that redesign. Let's turn it on. There's that action button. Look at that action button. I'm getting carried away with myself here. Look at that. No toggle switch. No toggle switch. Remember these little toggle switches? Not on the Pros. Those are on the 15 and 15 Plus if you still like those. Let's see what she's got. There's the Apple logo. Got your little Apple logo, which I heard, let's see, the Apple logo's there. It's supposed to be, I guess, yeah, it kind of looks like it's directly on the same imprinted on the back side. Hello. Let's go with English. In the United States. We'll go default. Bring your iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. What do I do with my iPhone? Set up with another phone. And then we'll just hit continue. And while that's continuing, oh no, now you got to take a picture. There you go. While that's doing that, this, yeah, it's very clean. Curious, what about that camera? Is it any bigger? Of course, you know, this is the 15 Pro, so it's not the Pro Max. But, yeah, they seem to be about the same size. Ugh, this one's so heavy.
Oh, boo-hoo.
I'll transfer the number. Transfer number. All eSIM, so there's no swapping of the SIMs. Cameras look the same, but like I said, this is the 15 Pro, so. But yeah, it feels nice. It feels really good. Oh, and hold on a second.
Wait a minute.
USB-C. And there's the old lightning. I didn't get a chance to clean this up. Well, I had a chance, I just forgot. The lightning's a little smaller. It's a lot thinner. It looks to be, yeah, and it's not as wide or not as lengthy as the USB Type-C. Software's updating. Let's update the software now. I agree to give my firstborn. He's in the other room. Take him. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some other videos on it and, you know, doing some of the differences, you know, between the 13 Pro and the 15 Pro. I don't really know if there was enough of a jump. I mean, this is, I don't know, this is pretty, it's a lot lighter, and, you know, the rounded bezels, it's not as sharp than the 14 Pros. I don't really know if there's an actual reason, you know, to upgrade. You know, I upgrade because, you know, I'm a techie. I like this kind of stuff, so, and I like making videos. When you're taking pictures with this now, you don't have to go between portrait and non-portrait. You can just take a picture, just, you know, the regular main camera, and you can go back and add that bokeh and add that focus. It doesn't matter. It takes care. Apple is figuring out, well, they already figured out, the simpler the better. If I can go back and post and do something, then, you know, that's cool. Go ahead and grab me a little cloth. Got my cloth here from Case Coup. I've got some Case Coup cases for the 15 Pro that I'm going to be doing that should be coming out here pretty quickly. A little warm to the touch. Nothing to be alarmed about.
Flip out, man.
When phones are and it's going to be warm for a little bit. Even after it does its update, it's going to update all your apps. It's updating all of this information, and so it's going to get warm. I also saw that there is going to be a setting that I'm going to use that is for the battery to where it'll only charge up to 80%. It won't charge over 80%. I guess that helps on your battery. Three Face ID setups. You got the regular, you got the one if you want to do it with the mask, but you don't have to wear a mask to do it. And then they ask you to take your glasses off. I don't remember that last time. Neat little emoji thingy. Okay, so it looks like its transfer has been complete to this side, and my SIM is moved because it's showing SOS. Titanium is clean. Clean. USBC. So we have the action button that you can customize. Let's customize it. UI, whatever it's called, is pretty cool. So you can do silent mode, focus, you can change it, your focus modes, you can do camera, flashlight, voice memo, what was this one? Magnifier, or you can do shortcuts. Let's try the camera. Everybody does the camera. Welcome to iPhone. Sure enough. Portraits in photo mode. When a person, dog, or cat is in the frame, you can quickly turn the photo into a portrait. Yeah, that's the thing I was talking about. I'm gonna go real quick. And then you can just start taking pictures, all with the same button. Not too shabby. Wait, does it work from the lock screen? It does work from the lock screen. Just quick action. Oh, look, wait, what did it say? Because I can't just press it. Hold to open, so you don't accidentally, you know, open your camera. I'm digging it. I like it. It's warm. Hey, like I said, I guess it connected my Apple Watch too, huh? Yep, it's got some Apple Watch features too. Oh, no. That's is it the Apple Watch that now can find the phone? Or no, the phone can now find, yeah. The Apple Watch could always find the phone or make it ping, but now this will do like a location finder with that U2 chip, Joshua tree. And if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, won't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel? Well, that would just be swell. Peace and love, y'all.